Hello, today we're going to talk about master affiliate profits and how it actually works with automated lead generation and why this platform is such a game changer for many of you that are looking at it as a lead generation platform. So number one, the first important element to understand is all of the traffic that you generate, whether it's the included free traffic that you get as a platinum member or traffic that you send to the platform itself, whether that be your own personal leads, you do a lead generation campaign through Google, Bing, Facebook. And if you're part of my group, we run massive ad co-ops so that you can actually participate and get leads at a very cost-effective rate. And our lead co-ops are run by professionals, and we don't care which program you're in, we'll drive leads to the front end of your master affiliate profit site. But that aside, so a lead comes in, and that first lead goes into master affiliate profits site. And it's actually the master affiliate profits lead generation autoresponder that takes care of all the leads. So when that lead comes in, John Thornhill, Omar, and Melinda Martin, and the A team at Master Affiliate Profits basically takes care of all of the remarketing. In other words, in simple terms, your job is done. You don't need to do any of the marketing. And as a platinum member, you're automatically going to receive a 75% commission on any of the marketing activities that are successful. And that's really a game changer. So on one hand, you have the Master Affiliate Profits autoresponder, and you have the team that's taking care of all of the leads that come into the Master Affiliate Profits, and you're getting paid a 75% commission on any of the activity from those leads. So that's exciting. But the second part of the automation is your integrated private autoresponder. Now, John Thornhill, he recommends Aweber. I recommend Aweber. And of course, if you're part of my team, you get the complete package delivered to you, and I help you set up the training, or my team does help you set up the training and support for that autoresponder. But that second autoresponder, it works like this. One lead comes into the Master Affiliate Profits autoresponder, and that exact same lead is entered into your autoresponder, your private autoresponder. So what's quite amazing about that is you immediately have the opportunity to establish know, like, and trust. And I take the time to teach all of my members, all of the people that join through Master Affiliate Profits as an affiliate of mine or one of my sub-affiliates, how to actually use this automated platform successfully. Now, the beautiful part is you set it up once, and it works 7/24 even when you're sleeping. So one of the biggest downfalls of lead generation campaigns is that people actually don't follow up with leads, or if they do, the window for which they follow up is outside of that ideal sweet spot, which is responding within an hour. When you actually set up the Master Affiliate Profits platform and use it as a lead gen platform, that'll never happen to you, because as long as you're making sure that the leads are coming into Master Affiliate Profits and you've got your integrated autoresponder accepting those leads, the response is virtually immediate. So that's one big benefit. So now they come in to your private autoresponder, and rather than hit them with heavy marketing right away, I'm going to teach you how to establish know, like, and trust. So just like any circumstance in social settings, when you first meet somebody, you say hello and you get to know them. And for absolutely no cost to you, I'm going to teach you how to establish that know, like, and trust. I'm going to establish you as an expert in your venture. So all of you that are watching this represent a different company. Some of you are in network marketing companies looking for lead generation. Some of you have your own product and you're looking to market that specific product. And the range is extraordinary what you can do with the leads that come into Master Affiliate Profits and the range of subsequent products that you can market. So if you're into health products, it works perfect. If you're into a service, it works perfect. If you're into a software, it works perfect. Any type of application, Master Affiliate Profits will work successfully to you. So in summary, a lead comes into Master Affiliate Profits. They take care of all the marketing. Your job's done. And when they do successfully market and you've got the best in the industry doing that marketing, you're going to earn a commission. And the second part of that equation is that same lead is automatically added into your private autoresponder, and you're going to be able to market anything that you like to that secondary lead. And my team, which is Master Affiliate Profits Review, is going to show you how to do that successfully. And we back it up with all kinds of different elements. And of course, when you join our team, you get that amazing YouTube viral bonus. You also get the 365 days of motivation. And what that 365 days of motivation does is supply each of your new leads with a motivation on how to stay with it, how to succeed. And that motivation applies, yes, to Master Affiliate Profits to make sure that they remain active and generating you ongoing commissions. But the same principles will apply to whatever product you're marketing and services, and keep them aware of staying in touch with you and your marketing materials. So that's kind of the overview. It's an amazing feature. And by the way, with Master Affiliate Profits, the automation feature is available for free, silver, gold, and platinum. And so what that means is if you had a large team, if you were a network marketing person and you wanted to really get your team to become successful, what's a better way than basically having them exposed to information that John and Omar have put together on how to market online. And so you can send your entire team into Master Affiliate Profits. It's free enrollment after the 2nd of April 2024, and they will get access to a $600 training program that teaches them the basics of how to market online. And then the team at Master Affiliate Profits will actually guide them, hold them by the hand, and allow them to upgrade to higher levels of training. And that could mean for a person that has a network, all of a sudden going from a group of inexperienced people with no access to resources that don't know how to market online to having a resource that can grow with them and grow with your team. So it's really exciting. Check it out. To enroll, you just go to yesenroll.com/map. It's yesenroll.com/map. You'll see all the details, and I hope to see you on the inside of the membership area. My name's Dori O'Neill. Goodbye.